Last night, Mom and I spent a great evening over at the Farm Collective in Riverside, listening to a band called Swing Auditorium. Fantastic. If you ever get a chance to see Swing Auditorium, go do it. Today I want to make a sandwich that just kind of came about from all of the ingredients that we get from the farmers markets, since we talk about it so much. It's going to have hummus, toom or garlic spread, and cucumber salad. We're making it's just really delicious. Let's take a look at the ingredients. So the ingredients for the sandwich are the Kalamata Olive Sourdough that we get from the farmer's market. And then all from Mom's Specialty Foods, the garlic spread, the hummus, and the cucumber salad. This one is Mom's mix. Pretty dope. I'm just gonna go paper towel, because that's how we do in Dad's diner. Blam. Oh yeah, you like those? Make them look good. Boop, 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 boop. Mom did hers, said do mine. I'm thinking about becoming a trad wife, just making sandwiches in here. Although I wouldn't be a trad wife, would I? I'd be a dad wife. So I'm trying different lighting today. All right, those are the outsides. I'll put one side. Mom's mix garlic. There's no return to the refrigerator for you, dear. I'm sorry. You get recycled. Mom. So Mom's garlic spread. I'm having a really hard time. There's some lemon in there? I'll have to take a look at what it really is. But I just recycled the lid. Oh no, you violated the hummus with garlic. Infidel. This is kind of this is the stucco that holds the cucumber salad in place. We also do it without cucumber salad, but with a tabbouleh. The great thing about this sandwich is that it masks the flavor of cucumbers, which I kind of detest. And that allows me to eat them because I know they're, good for me. But really, any other cucumber, I probably won't get near it. Delicious. Stack it up. All right, I guess the only thing left to do is enjoy it. There is one caveat with this sandwich, okay? It's very drippy and kind of messy, so don't forget to clean up after yourself. Don't forget to do the dishes. And don't forget to put everything back in the refrigerator.